Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Our group will going to present about how to expert English. Then let's begin with Ruchicha.
English has recognized as an international language. Some countries use English as their first language and they use it for daily communication. Also, some countries apply English as their second language. Learning English has some advantages. There are help communicate with foreigners, help to get a job, and help to enrich knowledge. Next slide. You should learn English. The first is most used language in the world. More than 50 countries use English as their native language, so English is most used language in the world. Second is increase your value. When you mastering English, it will increase your value in yourself. Uh, except including when you to get a job or school. Third is language of the internet. All common language in internet all used in English. Four is overload of opportunity. Five is simple and to run, and the last is because it is fun. The next.
In English, there are 4 skills. The first is speaking skill, second reading skill, the next is listening skill, and the last is reading skill. We're going to talk about common problems that we have faced when we learn English, vocabulary, and speaking is alright. You have sentence in your mind, but you're missing 2 or 3 important vocabulary words. It becomes difficult to say you are thinking. The third is pronunciation or fluency. It can be difficult to pronounce. So when you speaking in English, you have to consider not only pronunciation of the individual words, but also the connection between the words in the sentence. And the last common problem is less confident.
Next slide is about how to improve our speaking. There are few steps of doing it. The first step is speak small and general sentence first. So we need to do small sentence first, and then after that we are speaking without fear. Some don't need to worry about making mistake. And then the next one is speak English with friends. So we are trying to practice it with our friend. And then the next one is study and practice as often as possible. And then the next one, listen to the conversation, radio or audiobooks, then record yourself. So we can see how was the progress of our speaking. And then after that, we will be able to speak English very good. Next one is about writing skill. The first step is try to write daily diary, stories, essay, and etc. The second one is use all of your resources. It could be from internet, from book, from any other resources. And then next one is make sure you are grammatically correct. You can check it in application called Grammarly. And then the next one, we can learn proper use of punctuation marks and use correct spelling. And then the last one, write and take reviews and then rewrite. So after we are finished with our writing, we are doing a kind of review to make it better for the next. And then the next slide will be presented by Ruchicha.
And there are some ways to improve our listening skill. We are listen to native speaker because when we hear the native speaker, we have a natural flow of to their speech, voice, and pronunciation. And watch and listen English movies or news. I think this is very important when we watching English movie with English subtitle. And the next is listening to the music and when we practice as often as possible the three steps, we can able to improve our listening skill.
Okay, the next skill, there are some steps that you can apply to improve your skill. The first is read about things that interest you. If you are interested in what you're reading about, the word will come alive and you will be motivated to understand. The second is read books that suit your level, so you can begin from the lowest level. The next is don't worry about you don't understand. And the last is recognize that the key is to read a lot. The main growth in your vocabulary and reading skill will come just from reading as much as you can. Keep reading and you will become a better reader. Next slide. Okay, we already presenting and explaining about how to expert English, especially for every skill in English. So the conclusion from our presentation is English is well established as the usable word language. Learning is very important because English has important role in our daily lives. It helps to communicate with friends, helps to get a job, and helps to enrich the knowledge.
Okay, thank you for the presentation and see you next time.